welcome to the recorder red belt. To earn your red belt, you're going to play Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Before I demonstrate it for you, the new vocabulary in this song is fine, which means end, and DC al fine. When you see DC al fine, when you get to that point, you go back to the beginning and keep playing until you get to the word fine. Notice when I'm playing it like a lullaby. You want it to be nice and smooth and connected so you don't wake the baby. Okay, if I start hearing this, does that sound like a lullaby? You want the notes smooth and connected, using your tongue, speaking the language of do. The other tricky thing about Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star is it has those high E's in it. Well, we already know high D, second finger without the thumb. You know how you have to blow gently to get that to come out pretty. Well, to play a high E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers in the front, this uses a half hole. Take your thumb and take just a tiny bit off the hole. We call that a half hole. Now, a high E will work if you take your thumb all the way off. It'll sound fine that way. But let's practice it with a half hole. That'll make the really high notes on the recorder easier for you. Play a high E. Well, hopefully this gives you a nice head start on Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Happy practicing.